welcome to EMS. It's a continuation of reception video tutorial. So if we go to the reception menu now, here you can see the inquiry books, inquiry book, phone call log, postal dispatch, postal receive, complaint, and visitor book. So first we will go to explain the inquiry book. If we add inquiry book, so the person who is here for the inquiry, I will say UVW, just a general name, 03, just I'm putting a random number, and email, so uvw@abc.com. Address, I will say London. Note, admission inquiry. Date is today's date. Next follow-up date you can give okay. If it is not been sorted out today, so you can give next day, Monday 14th, and assign to any of your staff member. So if you say like just write down UVW, or like anyone, ILM KH. What was the reference? So this journal reference, source, that's journal source, class, what class they are asking about, or their admission inquiry. So play group and number of children, I will say put 2, 7 close. That's been saved here. You can see here edit and delete, and that is the follow-up date. If you click on the follow-up here, you will come to the screen. So now who is doing it, the next follow-up date, add the next follow-up date. So what's the outcome on the screen? Today is 10th of November, you can change it, and that is the next follow-up date. So I'm changing that from 14 to 11. Response contacted for a response, and details provided. You can just copy this and you can add here as well. 7 close. So that's been created here. That is the response, that is the note, and it has been done by this person. If you add another recontact, so the next follow update I will just put 14 and recontacted for further informations. Asked to be provided on the next follow-up date. Assigned to staff member for contact. Save and close. So that has been added. That's 11th of November. So the next date was here, and that is the next response, the follow-up. So that's how we are adding the follow-up dates. Go back here. So you are coming to the inquiry box screen. From print options, you can print as many as inquiries you got in your system. Done or not done, status active. That is for your office record. Thank you very much for this, for watching this.